This tutorial review will show you how to add more sounds to Discord soundboard. We can upload maximum 8 sound effects to our soundboard, and here we can see currently I have 0 slots to upload. In this case, to upload more sounds, you have to boost your server. So boost your server to level 1 to unlock 16 more soundboard slots. So click on unlock more slots. And here, and now you can upgrade to Nitro, or you can continue to boost and select your card. And so once you boost your server to level 1, you will get 16 more sound slots. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.